is Eric from Just Hockey Cards, and we're gonna open this 2014-15 Upper Deck Series 1 hockey. Like the other videos, the last two videos, and this is the last one of these. And next week we're gonna get some Flair hockey and some of this next week. So tune on that next week, and yeah, that's pretty it. That's our announcement. So this has 2 bonus packs, 12 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. You can collect Young Guns, rookie cards, and UD Canvas and UD Game jersey cards. So let's get started. Alright, I'm excited. This is Miguel the Helper, like I said last time. Get away, take this. And he's just a big part of this channel, like I said, because he's just the one who got all of these packs, and he's just a big factor. Oh, yo, this pack is already open. I guess we'll start with this one. It's already open. Alright, it looks smaller, I guess. Whatever. Let's start with this one. We've got Tommy Wingles, Jacob Trouba, Oli Mata in green. It's the St. Patrick's jerseys. Goody goody. Joe Colburn with the cool Calgary jerseys. And Seth Jones zoomed in, like I said, the photographs on this brand is pretty good. Johan Franzen, Patrick Sharp, Jordan Eberle, Eric Goodbranson, and Damian Brunner. No hits yet. Stop. Carey Price coming out of the Lords or whatever. Tyler Johnson taking a shot. Ryan Getzlaf at the Stadium Series with the cool jerseys with no helmet. Michael Bournival. And Tyler Seguin celebrating. This one looks a little heavier, but I say that all the time. So. Josh Bailey. Oh, there's a hit. I know there's a hit. I saw it. Josh Bailey, Torrey Krug, high five. No hits. I thought there was a hit. Sorry. High fiving some kids. I saw the black in the corner, so I thought it was a hit. I don't know. Henrik Zetterberg, Jamie McGinn, Vladimir Tarasenko celebrating. Hit of Wayne Gretzky. Just kidding. Matthew Carl. Zach Cassian, Cody Eakin coming out with steam, Joel Ward, and Matt Nieto. No hits yet. Let's just take the last pack, put it on top just for fun, because we have bad luck right now. Jeff Petrie again. Another Bobby Ryan, the exact same from last video. I'm going to get that. Eric Cole. Jay Bouwmeester, and it's the same pack. Eric Cole, Jeff Petrie, Wayne Simmons, Jay Bouwmeester, and Bobby Ryan. The exact same pack, I think. That wasn't good luck at all. TJ Oshie stopping. This is a new pack. Derek Brassard. Young Guns of Trevor Van Riemsdyk. The brother of James Van Riemsdyk with Chicago. Miguel didn't even know it existed. He existed. Logan Couture taking a shot. And Dwight King celebrating. Dwight King in the Kings.
He's the king.
Because he's happy. Semyon Varlamov with his helmet off.
Yes, sir.
Drinking water, I think, at the break, whatever. Paul Martin passing. Mike Smith. Oh, look at the background. It's like a... Cool. Andrew McDonald taking a shot. And Chris Higgins. 4 more packs. This is not the best. We got 1 hit. Oh, I put the hit in there. We got a Justin Schultz at the end. That's all I know. A triple of Quick, Kopitar, and Gabrick. You got doubles. Tyler Bozak. And a great parallel of Duncan Keith. Or normal parallel, whatever you call that. Shining Stars. Nick Bukestad. And Justin Schultz. It's about time. Finally, we got a freaking card. A good card. Jared Stoll. I like the Kings, but I don't like him. Mark Streit. And a canvas of Alexander Burrows. I don't like the player, but I like the UD canvas. Brian Elliott looking straight at the camera. And Nathan McKinnon. No, Nate Gannon. 2 more packs. You got 3 hits. Well, whatever. Curtis Glencross. Brandon Dubinsky. Ryan Suter. Blake Wheeler. And Derek Stepan. Last pack, there's not a jersey in there, so these 3 boxes were not the best, but okay. Brad Marchand, thinking he's cool. Chris Versteeg with his mouth guard out of his mouth. Mouth guard out of his mouth. Darcy Kemper. Oh, what a catch by Darcy Kemper. Stalock. And Marcus Foligno. So, so today we didn't have any really good hits. We have technical difficulties right now because Miguel is refusing a question. It's just that I asked him to give me all the hits from from today. He's looking at them. So let's just put all the cards together. Together. So I think, yeah, this is a good product. We just want to say that we are making videos every weekend, because we have school. But we're making different cards every weekend, but we're making more than one video because one box is a video. So if we have like MVP packs, we buy a Dollarama. No, not Dollarama. It's Dollar Store. Dollarama's Canadian. Yeah, whatever. Buy at the Dollar Store. If we get a lot of packs, we put them together, and we make a video. But other than that, yeah. So, we get it. Take your cards. These are the normal. Do you want to keep the bottom around? Yeah, you keep the bottom. So these are the hits of this video, and what are the hits from yesterday? Today's videos. Wait, that's it. Okay, that's not it, but let's just start off. We got a checklist of Jonathan Quick, Anze Kopitar, and Marian Gaborik. A UD Convince of Alexander Burrows. A Shining Stars normal parallel of Duncan Keith. A Trevor Van Riemsdyk Young Guns. A Young Guns of Ty Ratty. Miguel doesn't know who Ty Ratty is, but I know him because I play NHL 15 and I had a GM mode of St. Louis. So Young Guns of Teemu Pulkkinen. I have no idea who that is. Chris Kunitz, like I said, he just put it in there because he likes him. UD Canvas of Brendan Gallagher. A blue parallel Shining Stars of Erik Karlsson. A Upper Deck Hockey Heroes 2000s of Sidney Crosby with and it says shares Richard Trophy. A Upper Deck Hockey Heroes 2000s of Vincent Lecavalier guides Lightning to the Cup. And a Young Guns of Nicolas Deslauriers. So these were all of the hits from the last couple videos, so the last 3 videos. And hope you liked it. See you next weekend. Have an stop. Have an amazing whatever. That's a slogan. Have an amazing whatever. Put that on a t-shirt. Goodbye. Beep, beep, beep. Goodbye. Dee, dee, dee.